Willkommen.
Bienvenue. Welcome.
Bienvenue.
Willkommen!
Welcome to the adventurous world of Wenger. Life is a wondrous adventure. Since 1893, Wenger has been committed to developing knives and multifunctional tools that enable all of us to venture into our daily expeditions on trail, at sea, on the job, or around the home with confidence. So, what goes into crafting a Wenger knife? Let us take a tour. The manufacturing of each Wenger knife begins in the town of Delémont in Switzerland's Jura region with the finest raw materials, including high-quality European steel and an uncompromising dedication to detail. Our team of craftsmen are all experts in their work. Some of them have had family members working for our brand for generations. With precision and accuracy, the steel is fine cut or stamped into specific shapes and sizes based upon the style and model of the knife. Blades are honed through a multi-step process of heat treatment, grinding, mirror polishing, and finally, sharpening. For kitchen and professional cutlery, a perfectly hygienic plastic handle is sealed and formed around the blade prior to sharpening. The various components of the world-famous Wenger Swiss Army knife are assembled by state-of-the-art machines or, for more complicated models, by hand with the same dedication to quality for over 115 years. All receive their final inspection by hand to ensure the quality and reliability Wenger customers have expected since we first supplied the Swiss Army with pocket knives in 1901.
Hi, my name is Mike Horn and my passion is exploring. A partnership with Wenger is very important to fulfill my job as an explorer. And to have a tool specially manufactured, designed and engineered to fulfill my purpose gives me the opportunity to explore to further limits. You are all Wenger ambassadors, and your global journey will be just as challenging as any of our expeditions. We are driven by the spirit of adventure to promote the appreciation of the beauty of the great outdoors. In the same way, the Wenger brand will show consumers how they can challenge themselves amongst the elements.
Hello everybody, my name is Uli Steck. I'm a professional mountaineer. I'm holding several speed records, like on Eiger North Face I climbed in 2 hours 47 minutes and 33 seconds. I'm really happy to work together with Wenger on this new mountain knife. I'm sure we will have a new outstanding line on this market for the future. So talk to you later, enjoy the day, and there is only one way. It's going uphill until we're on the top.
Durability and reliability in the great outdoors may be what Wenger pocket knives are most famous for. However, the same care and craftsmanship is forged into every piece of kitchen and professional cutlery as well. Wenger's famous Zwiebel line of professional cutlery is built on the principle that the true value of a knife is not based upon its initial cost, but its durability, efficiency, and its response to the highest hygienic demands. Wenger manufactures to exacting standards by using the best materials available and employing techniques that continue to set the industry standard. Wenger's Zwiebel line, as well as Grand Maître and forged knives, are ideal for professional and at-home chefs who want value, precision, craftsmanship, and Swiss heritage. And it is that very heritage that has endeared consumers from around the world to the Wenger brand since 1893. From kitchen and professional cutlery to Swiss Army knives. From the great outdoors to your wonderful homes. In recent years, Wenger has expanded its product offerings to Swiss-made, multifunctional watches, camping gear, footwear, travel gear, business gear and accessories. Life is an exciting adventure, and with Wenger knives you can be assured that you are always prepared on the trail, at sea, on the job, or at home. Always precise, always prepared. Now, go and explore. And again, welcome to the adventurous world of Wenger.